Real estate developers are betting big on the festive season for sales revival after recording the lowest transaction in a decade during the first half of 2020. Hi, I am Faizan Haider from the Economic Times, and in this video we will discuss what all offer home buyers are getting from the developers in the upcoming festive season. If you are planning to buy your dream home in this festive season, you will not only get the flat, but you will also be given some gift by the developers. The number of unsold flats in the country currently stands at 7 lakh. So to clear the unsold inventory, developers are coming up with lots of offers. Some are offering washing machine, refrigerator, microwave, laptop. Noida-based Golf Group has come up with 9 offers where it is giving these gifts to the home buyers. While Bangalore-based Homes 24/7, a consultancy firm, is tying up with developers where developers are ready to reimburse the 12 months EMI to the buyer in case of a job loss. While another consultancy in Noida, they are offering extra area in the same amount. So this is just to clear the unsold inventory which developers have piled up over the years, and because of COVID, there was no sale in the last quarter.
I would say the most important thing which is there to look forward to today for the home buyer is plethora of launches which are coming. A lot of launches have been lined up which got delayed because of the pandemic are now gonna get launched in the next 1, 2 months, 3 months from best of the developers with best of the locations, amazing plans and very good pricing. So I guess that's what really everyone is looking forward to. We as the platform as well as a lot of our customers. And secondly, what we are also seeing is a lot more focus on a better environment, a better infra, better amenities for the society, because somewhere we all realized home is where we get back to end of the day, and we need it to be a place which is safe, comfy and makes us feel as our home.
But despite all the offers, as a home buyer, you need to read between the lines. Do you really need that property is the first and most important thing. If you were planning to buy a property before COVID, then this is definitely the best time to buy, because the price are at the lowest and developers are desperate to sell, and that's why they are giving these offers. But you should always go for the ready to move in property, because the chances of getting a under construction project stuck is more during this time when the developers are running out of cash. Here our expert will break it down for you what all precautions you need to take while finalizing a property.
COVID-19 has reinforced the importance of having a physical asset, and residential real estate is one of the best physical assets to own during this time. It provides the basic necessity of having a roof over the head. And the reason I say that it's the best time to buy a house is because of a couple of factors that are playing in favor of the residential real estate. Number one, the home loan rates are at record low. The prices of real estate for the last 7 years have not gone anywhere. So if you account for inflation, in fact, the prices have come down in most of the micro markets. The market is more cleaner, the industry is more cleaner after RERA coming into the picture. The buyers have a lot of options from ready to move in inventory to choose from. And the developers are willing to sit across the table and offer good payment plans, flexible payment plans and other schemes to entice buyers to buy. And then the sector is now driven by majority of the renowned and corporate developers. So in my opinion, this is a good time for end user to buy, and this sector, especially real estate sector, is poised to recover once the pandemic subsides.
Many experts have said that COVID could be worse than global financial crisis 2008. But for some, it is also the best opportunity. If you have finalized the location of your dream home and it has better connectivity, this is the best time to buy. But do make the decision based on your financial capability, as our experts have said.